Mixtrap.com.
I've been waiting for you. I'm pretending, and that's all I can do.
That's all I could do, mama.
The love I'm sending ain't making it through to your heart.
I hope you hear me. Pain, since I've lost you, I'm lost too. Niggas feeling like he at the bottom like a horseshoe. Sorry for the trouble that I put you in your heart through. God knows that I do anything for the part two. Ought to be praying for the day you come back to me, saying that you forgive me. Give me another chance, I'm needing it like a kidney. I don't wanna advance, give me back her hands, give me back her touch. I don't ask for much, but I fucked up. I know I fucked up, I admit I fucked up, but everybody fuck up. Now this other nigga locked up, telling me and my clique don't give a fuck, cause we from New Orleans, she was from Georgia. She was my down chick, I was a soldier, I was a gangster, she was my shoulder. You were the pistol to my holster, bang.
Never letting it show, always trying to keep it under control.
I see you hiding it, mama.
You got it down, and you're well on your way to the top.
Doing your thing.
But there's something that you forgot.
You forgot about the house, you forgot about the ring. I remember everything, I just wanna hear you sing. I remember the love, right after the fight. You can't tell me you don't remember those nights. And if I would cry, then you would cry.